Toyota Research Institute, whose developments in the field of domestic robots are closely observed around the world, has introduced a new direction. As the developers have revealed, the idea is that robots should improve the quality of everyday life for everyone. To achieve this goal, they have identified what they call challenging tasks that are intriguing to work on. One of the latest challenges is the autonomous fulfillment of orders in grocery stores. This problem serves as an excellent way to stimulate the development of mobile and manipulative capabilities, as it involves numerous complex tasks for robots, including perceiving and manipulating a large number of objects, navigating in a constantly changing environment, and responding to unexpected circumstances. We have previously showcased Sanctuary's robot, an all-purpose humanoid used by developers to create the world's first general artificial intelligence in robots. The company has released a new video where the humanoid robot performs tasks related to very fine and precise motor skills. The robot manipulates transparent objects and does everything without errors. The company's achievements are impressive, representing an incredible feat. However, from the video, it is evident that the robot is still far from being on par with humans. Therefore, there is no need to fear too much for jobs or to hope that robots will completely replace humans in all spheres in the next couple of years. The startup InBioDroid, dedicated to developing innovative telepresence technologies that create a deeper connection between people and their environment, is seeking investors to fund the next generation of telepresence robots. Currently in the early stages of development, Prometheus 2.0 is a humanoid robotic body capable of reproducing a user's movements anywhere in the world in real time. In the future, using an entirely new prototype of an avatar system with advanced features currently in development, users will be able to transmit their knowledge, skills, movements, and intentions to Prometheus 2.0 through an active communication interface. In other words, the robot will be able to faithfully replicate your hand, leg, torso, and head movements while maintaining balance and coordination, providing you with comprehensive data about the ongoing events. Abtronic, with the support of NASA, has entered the race to develop universal humanoid robots. The Apollo project is still in its early stages, but the space agency envisions using it for future space exploration. Abtronic's approach is to create a humanoid from scratch, initially prioritizing the cost and accessibility of each component. The company plans to develop everything from actuators to software, drawing on successful experiences accumulated by engineers around the world in recent years. Recently, the company unveiled a prototype that resembles a human, weighing approximately 72 kilograms and standing at a height of 170 centimeters. The robot can lift up to 25 kilograms and has a battery providing 4 hours of operation. However, it can also operate continuously when directly connected to the power grid. Apollo is designed to work alongside humans and is equipped with features that convey a sense of safety and friendliness. It has a face-like structure and can turn its head to indicate the direction of its movement. A digital panel on its chest will display the battery charge, the current task, and a list of upcoming activities. The robot's price is expected to be below $100,000. Additionally, the company has the Astra robot, which lacks legs but possesses dexterous arms. In terms of strength and agility, the robot approaches human capabilities, but it seems to be controlled by humans rather than acting autonomously. Eventually, the developers hope to create an equivalent of the iPhone in the world of robots, although they do not promise to develop artificial intelligence for the universal humanoid. The engineers plan to outsource this task, the most important of all, to external developers. Do you believe in the possibility of creating a universal humanoid robot in the near future? Share your opinion in the comments. Exploring lava caves on the Moon and Mars is a task best left to robots. These caves could serve as temporary bases or storage facilities for astronauts, yet they remain uncharted and potentially hazardous. Consequently, diverse engineering groups around the world are designing robots to investigate such caves. A recent series of experiments took place at the German Research Center for Artificial Intelligence with the support of 5 European countries, resulting in a robot group named Box X. It includes 3 autonomous rovers of varying scales and complexity. The first to go into the unknown is the simplest device, paving the way for more intricate and expensive machines after reconnaissance. Notably, the largest robot carries a charging station for itself and its smaller counterparts, given the considerable cave distances without access to sunlight for battery recharging. The question of communication among robots and with humans remains open, prompting anticipation for further details and more serious trials and environments simulating conditions on other planets. AEO from Aolis Robotics is a versatile humanoid robot designed to improve productivity and daily convenience worldwide. Positioned as a delivery robot, disinfectant, companion, and caregiver for the elderly, this robot can perform various tasks with its different arms. One arm can be equipped with a panel emitting ultraviolet light, while the other can have a gripper for opening doors, carrying items, and operating elevators and appliances. The robot's vision and intelligence enable it to detect if a person has fallen or requires medical assistance. These capabilities also make it a security guard capable of checking windows, detecting intruders, and identifying forgotten bags in hospitals, schools, and other institutions. To improve its security features, the robot is equipped with a 360-degree night vision camera. It uses real-time streaming video and two-way voice communication to alert security services if anything unusual occurs. Reportedly, the robot is already being used in Japan, Hong Kong, and Taipei by commercial real estate owners and elderly care companies. Interestingly, a few years ago, the robot appeared in the media, but was then positioned as a domestic assistant and butler, capable of mopping floors and getting beer out of the fridge for its owner. Unfortunately, the world has not yet seen such a version. In the category of innovative approaches, we want to highlight the development of BioHome 3D, which, unlike its competitors, enables the 3D printing of houses using wood. Let's not conceal that 3D printed homes from construction mixtures often appear quite unattractive or require substantial finishing. The new technologies, recently demonstrated in the state of Maine, USA, involve printing houses from wood fibers and natural resins obtained from the local forest industry. Importantly, this material is fully recyclable at the end of its service life. BioHome 3D is the result of collaborative research between the University of Maine and Oak Ridge National Laboratory. Interestingly, the technology allows for the complete printing of a house, including floors and roofs. For this specific home, 4 modules were created and then assembled on-site in just half a day. For many years, people were afraid that the Boston Dynamics robot Atlas would somehow threaten their safety, for example, by replacing them in the workplace. However, those fears about Atlas were unfounded. On the other hand, Stretch is a different story. The robot successfully handles monotonous warehouse tasks, as emphasized in its new video. No backflips, just the right job, safety, and ease of use. DHL Supply Chain is implementing Stretch to automate trailer unloading and support warehouse staff. This Boston Dynamics robot is soon to take over someone's job. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in today's video impressed you the most. If you found something new and interesting in this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the Caro's Show channel. Also, check out our previous videos. See you soon.